The Briggs 84002318 Vanguard Maintenance Kit is specifically designed for high-performance engines, ensuring optimal maintenance for Vanguard 810 cubic centimeter V-Twin EFI and big block engines. Made in the United States, this maintenance kit reflects excellent craftsmanship and reliability, which is essential for engine longevity. The kit is compact yet comprehensive, with a package dimension of 9.25 inches by 8.5 inches by 13.25 inches and a weight of 11.95 pounds. Briggs and Stratton, a renowned name in engine manufacturing, ensures that this kit provides everything needed to maintain peak engine performance. The maintenance kit's thoughtful design and high-quality components make it a valuable asset for anyone looking to extend the life of their engines. With a model number of 84002318, the kit is easy to identify and access, making it a convenient choice for regular engine upkeep.